So njoba makati, by the way, makati OB is referring to Obrigado, Mfundo Vilakazi, who's a Kaizer Chiefs player right now. So mawuthi uye wamdonsa under 15 wathi ntwana asambe. And that first game umdonsa, did he give you what you wanted?
Yeah, Mfundo always akusuko kuqala dlala ku first team but kulesa stage lesa bengingazi ukuthi uzokhona ukuyimela yabo. So yeah, always mangidlala naye guy boy. Yeah, I can talk and keep in ngaye because boy, he's fucking committed to football. He's passionate with football. Yeah. And whether udlala friends or udlala ini, he wants to win. Yeah. He wants to win.
Always wants to win.
He wants to win. Yeah. And because football unama football brains thingisho kanjalo unama football brains ufana noThabiso Sesane unama football brains not academical brains, football brains.
Yeah, I get what you're saying, sure.
So he knows ukuthi mangenza 1 2 3 ngila izongipha outcome njani mangila izongipha outcome njani but mangila izongipha outcome njani
ngiyakubona umuringa ngayo like you coming to life
yeah motivator man
motivator
kind from out of 10 years yonke I've been getting a player athanda disk but not that much. Yeah, at some point being means an athlete, not a soccer player.
Yeah. So I just want to know, because you've got quite a number of my player professional, but then as an amateur coach, how does it affect you? Does it affect you now you have to go back to player?
Yeah, it affects a lot because at some point, let's say number one leaking. And then but after 2 players then to stabilize the team benza show ukuthi iyaphela phela I had to ukuthi replacing 2 players uzobathola equality yalabantu
quality sure
ayitholakali nje
yeah okay so between you and I do you think ukuthi ama team like abo Kaizer Chiefs when they come and take Mfundo Vilakazi, do you think they should compensate coach yasekasi njengawo ukuthi sicela usiboleke umfana, we understand ukuthi udlala league udlala ama tournament you're going to be losing out bheka bamba kanje like agent fee or something like that?
Yeah, ikhona yona development fee yabo. Ikhona yona development fee. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, bayawa keep ama development fee. But for us it shouldn't be a development fee with silwele yabo. If uthatha player from mina and then the player really popular known Mfundo or anyone player from any team. I think they should do something. All right, on the spot. It's not too good. They should do something like give the team a ball or maybe a kit or equipment of Jimmy so that they can produce another player. If or people plus minus 7 teams. TS Galaxy, I remember it came with a contract corner on the spot to say we can give you 1 2 3. And then Chiefs at some point they say it's their player because udlale on November say something ngamthatha ngamisa khona on November. And then mase value league yabo amateur player is entitled for 1 year, then they say it's their player, then we ask them good how come, because it's an amateur player is entitled for and season kuziphele.
And then do you have any stories with one of the players esingasazi mhlambe stories kaMfundo Vilakazi eteamini when he was still young? Do you have any stories ofuna ukutshela nje ama viewers wethu?
No, angina stories much. I can say bonke those boys laba laba ngikhuluma ngabo ayithathanga nje just a miracle to go there. There was sacrifice a lot. uThabiso at one point he used to stay with me. OP at one point he used to stay with me. Wow. Almost labafana baphumelele they use ukuthi si share plate mina nawo yabo.
Wow.
So yeah, that's what happened. And meantime sisoloko sidlele plate inelwana say boy yabona sidla kanjani samelanga sidle so mele one day siye ema restaurant, one day mele uze ngemoto yakho uzobukela amajita yabo. So nangu uNkulunkulu usiblessile wayenza le uzwile umthandazo wethu.
Wow.
Yeah.
So are you still tight? Be close namajita. They always call each other time and again.
Too much. Wow. If ufuna no OPS elana kusho. You can arrange ukuthi azwakale.
Ngajabula mfethu. Humble boy. Yeah. Wow, because ngiyabona njengoba uthatha i-tournament was there running happy ngathi
the relationship still strong, going strong.
Yeah,
if we have to arrange ukuthi aze ngapha azokhuluma azomotivator.
Yeah, sure.
Do the media stuff. We can bring him.
No, would appreciate that. Would appreciate that. No, mele si ring enza. Wow.